You know, you should come visit me more often. You can't just tell my wife a lie. Me always lie to your father.
Cool, man.
And I love you.
Mommy? Mommy? Mommy, you in the bathroom?
Shit, go on and shower. Go on.
Mommy, my belly still hurt me from last night. I don't wonder, could you ask Malcolm for bring me to the clinic?
Of course, baby. Me text him and make him know. Don't worry, you're gonna be alright. Me call your father and make him know, say, brother, take you alright?
Alright, mommy, thanks.
Denzel isn't feeling well. Malcolm, you could bring him to the clinic for me?
Of course. Warm to him.
The little boy lactose intolerant and won't stop dairy. Him not listen to me.
Lactose intolerant just like mommy. You know what I want to do? I want to bring him over my house, make him spend some time with.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why not? Him is my son.
Yes, but him also think you're his brother. We can't tell him, okay? You know that too.
Daddy not raise a man like a man. He need a proper father figure in his life. Not tell him, but I think him should spend more time with me and his siblings.
You not afraid your wife gets suspicious?
She don't know, I'm not gonna tell her I'm my son. I'm to you, man. It's alright. Just one weekend. Look, my head on the road, I'm more if you follow with me, you need to get out of the house. Go on, get dressed, alright? Hey, it's not about the way now. Come on, enjoy yourself. Thanks for bringing me out, Sebastian. Sorry, I'm gonna stay the same. We gotta talk about youth. You always gonna be my brother, man. Nothing change. You just need something to drink. You can't just lock up in the house every day, man. You have to get out and meet new people. Eventually everything will get back to normal, trust me. Mommy and daddy want me to stay with them, but I don't know if I can, you know what I mean? I still feel kinda iffy about it and really struck about it. You can talk to them for me. Dear man, don't worry about it, man. Thanks, Sebastian, I appreciate it. Thanks for everything you do for me too. I know I've been kinda a burden to you and your family. I'm gonna feel a way about it. Oh dear, you come on, stop with the sad talk, man. Okay, let's enjoy yourself. You watch a cat get it over this, so youth. Go and go and pon her, man. Me would that, but you know me, I'm married, man. Watch her look by you. Go on, man. Richard, go on do your thing, the youth. Go and pon the girl. Just approach her slow and easy. And not overthink the thing, or man. Just slow and easy. Alright? Well, at least I'm gonna try. That's all we can say, at least I'm gonna try. It's a shock show for me, Tom. You know, I'll tell you, can't believe it, it's been a while since me, you know. Well, that's good, bro. Look, you're a good man, trust me. Thanks, Sebastian. Alright, all left to do now is buy some rubber and get your free gun. You know? Don't worry, man. It's like a bicycle. You never forget. You know what I mean? Just not breed the girl. That's all I'm ever ask you. I tell you, before you know it, everything will be back to normal. You'll be your old self again. You're right. Today was really nice doing it, bro. I appreciate everything. Really love you, bro. Love you to dog. Don't stay still with me. This seems so start for the weekend, man. No worry about it.
Well, you know, I've been kind of busy. You should have come to me and talk about it first. You know how things is now.
Auntie, man, you help me with the baby. You get worried, man. You're my brother and I love him most. I just want to spend time with him. Try to understand that, no, man.
It's just a lot of work.
Look, I'll make it up to you, alright? Auntie, me and my baby, man, I love you. Mwah. Hey, youth. Yeah, though.
I wanted to ask you something, but I was kind of scared too.
Come to you. Last time you asked me, my youth. What do you pay your mind?
I was first to ask you, but I was wondering if you could have bring me at the science fair. I mean, Daddy, I get kind of old. I'm gonna want to bother him for going away. So could you come? It's supposed to be a father and son thing.
Tell you, of course, me come with you, man. I know things are get kind of rough for Daddy, you know. But me did it for you, man. I want to tell you. Any little thing like that, just call me and me come, alright? Trust me, me always be here for you, no matter what. Don't worry about it. I love your youth, alright? If Daddy can't be there for you, he will certainly be there for you. Trust me. Kinda happy as you ask me still.
Oh, it's just so good. Like, I don't worry about it too, you know, but I'm glad you say yes.
I think me and you for start hang out more. You know, spend more time together. Better for the two of we.
This I get really old now, you know. The fire gonna work. I'm in need some wood. And you just sit on there, yeah, ball. Like, what you want me to do about it?
We try to do the thing with it, it just not stand up. Cheyenne, I don't know what to do.
So you really sit on here and cry? You're a big man, you know what you cry about? Are you the one young girl? You're supposed to take care of me in all possible way. You can't even... You know what? I'm tired of this. I can't bother with this no more. Right now, me want some other, you can't give me none. What me supposed to do? Ryan, you need to buy me some weed.
You know, Daddy not like you smoking at the house in the Cheyenne. You sure that's a good idea?
Make me worry about your father. Just go buy me the weed, alright? And some white rum. And get something else for yourself too.
No, Richard, Richard, what happened? Don't come for me. Don't come for me.
What were you thinking? What were you actually thinking, Sebastian?
I just wanted to forget some front.
Sebastian, your brother is mentally unwell. Front is not what he need.
So there you load up your voice for me for. You know all this been for me. You know.
It is not about you. It's about him. He need help. You don't know what him been through or what him got through with them. You have to think before you do things. You have to think before you do things, Sebastian. Him don't need that right now. Like, I just can't deal with this. Yes, you're getting better. Alright, ready? Go. That's it. Your turn. Alright, good job, Kimberly. Uncle Richard, come play with me. Come. Susie can teach you how to play ball. She's the best ball player ever. Come, Susie.
That did good.